The BP oil spill. Here we see a picture of the oil rig prior to the explosion.
What happened? On April 20th, an explosion rocks the Horizon deepwater drilling rig in the Gulf of Mexico. 11 people were killed in the incident. On April 22nd, the Horizon sank to the bottom of the ocean. On April 26th, the Coast Guard estimated that about 1,000 barrels of oil per day were spilling into the ocean. In the picture, you can see the Horizon engulfed in flames.
The timeline continues. On May 8th, the BP company tried to stop the leak using a metal box, but the effort failed. Officials estimate that 5,000 barrels of oil per day were leaking. 80,000 had leaked over the past 18 days. On May 14th, an estimated 70,000 barrels has spilled. By June 10th, an estimated 15,800 barrels of oil were being collected daily. Here we see a picture of an innocent animal experiencing the effects of the horrible oil spill. Also, here are a bunch of workers making a collective effort to minimize the harmful effects of the oil spill on the environment. As a side note, they recently discovered that the chemicals these workers and helpers tried to use to break up the oil actually made some of the effects of the oil more toxic to marine life and the environment at large than it would have been without these chemicals. So, in that way, the short term effort to minimize the effects of the oil spill failed and made matters worse.
An estimated 800,000 barrels were captured out of the 4.9 million that were spilled into the Gulf. And on September 19th, they declared the well officially dead and the disaster was ended. And here is a pelican in the ocean, and you can see it's covered with oil from the spill.
The pelican actually cannot fly because its wings are dripping with oil. Um, Here we see another picture of the oil rig and skimming boats.